On this Millennial Review, we're taking a look at Duck brand Weather Strip Seal. This is some self-adhesive foam seal. You can see here it's two relatively thin 3/8 wide strips of foam. This is self-adhesive, and basically the idea is it's going to help seal up your windows. Now I've just started to open up this package because I'm working on a project in my bathroom. So in the bathroom here, you can see at one point in time there used to be some very thin sealant that went around the edges, and I've gone ahead and cut that off. Now the idea behind this is you want to make sure stuff is as clean as you can, and you can actually see some of the older foam stripping that somebody put on the outside. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is, using the Duck brand sealant, I'm going to go ahead and replace this stuff. Now it's a good idea to go ahead and take as much of the old stuff off as you can. So I've been using both some cleaning detergent or agents, and then also using a box cutter blade to be able to cut the old stuff off, because you want to get this out of the way the best you can before you put the new stuff on. So let me go ahead and start to install the new stuff, and I'll show you how this stuff works. So I've got the foam roll out of the package now. You can take a look. You can see that it's not too bad. It's 3/16 thick, so fairly thin and going to be able to work pretty well. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is start to take this material off, and what you'll want to do here is just start to place this up onto the seam of your window, and then you should be able to start to just roll it right down. You can see here as I'm getting closer to the edge, just keep rolling it right into place. Now you're going to want to do this above freezing, so I've chosen to take care of this on a relatively warm day. And then you can just cut it with a blade. So at this point, just press through, make sure nice and snugged up, and then you just pull the backing off, make sure that's pressed up onto the window. And then now we'll move on to the lower portion. So here you can begin to take your new weather stripping seal and just press it up, and you'll see if we press that on, just want to go ahead and make sure it gets as snug as it can, nice and down low, and into the corner here where the two connections are going to be. And now we've got our last strip. For the last strip, we'll start again up at the top of the window and just start to lay this down. With a quick cut, you'll see that that's sealed up. So the whole thing is going all the way to the top with a seal pressed across. Got nice little seal down there, and then all the way up on the other side. So at this point, you should be able to close the window. And you'll see with it all sealed up, it's going to cover the gap down at the bottom, and then all the way at the top, it's going to be nice and compressed. So thanks for watching this video on how to use Duck brand weather strip seal to seal up a window in your home.